So I used Character Creator 4 to create the basis of this character, well, actually predominantly all this character, but this character was actually inspired from something. So what actually gave me the inspiration to make this artwork was these Go RPG cards. Now they're a Kickstarter that's just about to launch, but you can see they're pretty much a deck of cards. However, there are elements of gameplay as well, and this was the chap here that inspired this artwork. Now, hopefully by the time this video is released, the Kickstarter is open. Go check it out. But let's kind of carry on with what I was making. So I really want to extend this guy's features based off that image. Really liked how this one turned out. I mean, Character Creator 4 is really simple, really quick. I can make a character within like 10 minutes. I think this took me. Link in the description for it. And then I exported the character from Character Creator 4 and brought it into Blender using the add-on, which kind of imported all the materials, just making that workflow nice and simple. I'm posing the character, and I just brought in a cobalt that I previously created. And we're just going through the process of posing that hand and making sure that he's got a nice firm grip. Here we're going to quickly create a sword, very simple sword, trying to get the sizing right. I did have a problem with one of the weights for some odd reason, so it's just taking me a little bit to find it. The characters are fully rigged, so I can do all the shape key stuff. Here I'm also using the physical Starlight add-on and also the GrassBlade pack. And wham bam, thank you man, enjoy.